Hello students. Students, in previous lecture we had discussed how to find molarity and normality when an acid is completely neutralized by a base or vice versa. So students, today we will discuss how to find normality or molarity of the resulting solution when acid solution is mixed with a base solution but the neutralization is not complete. So students, what we do is first we find say gram equivalents of acid from normality and volume, and say it is Na into Va. So these are gram equivalents of the acid. Second, we find gram equivalents of base, and we find them from normality and volume. Now students, there are two cases. Suppose if the gram equivalents of acid are more than that of base, then upon mixing we will have some gram equivalents of acid unneutralized, and therefore solution will be acidic. So in case of acidic solution, means जब solution acidic होगा, और वो कब होगा, that is what? When number of gram equivalents of acid are more than the gram equivalents of base, then the gram equivalents of acid in the solution, means वो gram equivalents जो unneutralized होंगे, they will be a difference of these two, NaVa minus NbVb. So these are gram equivalents. So therefore, what will be the normality of that acidic solution, final solution? So student, normality is gram equivalents upon volume. So we have how many gram equivalents in the solution now? NaVa minus NbVb, and final volume will be Va plus Vb. So this will be the normality. And students, from normality we can find what? Molarity of that acidic solution. Similarly students, for basic solution, now basic solution means when what? The gram equivalents of base, they are greater than those of acid. उस केस में ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स ऑफ बेस सॉल्यूशन में कितने रहेंगे आफ्टर मिक्सिंग? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन वो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस होगा, NbVb minus NaVa. So these are gram equivalents of base in the solution after neutralization. So therefore what will be normality? So solution का normality कितना होगा? Now students, normality of solution will be what? Gram equivalents of the base which are in the solution divided by total volume, that is again. So this is how we find normality, and again from normality of the basic solution we can find what? Molarity. So students, these were the molarity and normality equations when acid and base solutions are mixed. So now this was a case where the acid or base solutions are mixed but the neutralization is not complete. Earlier we had discussed a case where acid is completely neutralized by a base, that is of titration. Now students, on the basis of all these results we will solve some numerical problems. Students, so I have framed 5 different questions to study 5 different cases of molarity and normality equation. Now student, हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन जो है, it is calculate the normality of a solution when volume of 20 milliliter of 5 normal HCl is raised to 1 liter. So student, statements को ध्यान से पढ़ो, आपको लग जाएगा पता that this is a case of dilution. So for dilution Now we apply, say, since we have to find normality and also normality is given, so we use normality equation. That is, for dilution we know that N1 V1, that is gram equivalents of solute remain same. So N2 V2 is equal to N1 V1. Now we have normality of initial solution as 5 and volume as 20 milliliter. Now we need to find out normality of final solution, that is N2 we have to calculate. When the volume is raised to 1 liter, now 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. So from this, students, we find normality of resulting solution, which will be what? 100 upon 1000, that is what? 0.1. So this is our first case of dilution. Now students, we have one more question. It is, how much water should be added in order to dilute 1 liter of a solution of pH 2 to a solution of pH 3. So this is also a case of dilution. But students, here the concentrations are not given directly, but they are indirectly given in the form of pH. Now students, आप इसको गलती से pH वाला ही molarity समझ के क्वेश्चन नहीं करोगे, नहीं तो गलत आएगा. Say, so how to solve this question? Students, first pH से हम molar concentration निकाल लेंगे of hydronium ion. Now pH is 2, which means minus log of, say, hydrogen ion concentration is 2. So therefore log of hydronium ion concentration is what? Minus 2. So we say hydronium ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 2. So students, this is the molarity of first solution, that is a solution of pH 2. So we, because this is moles per liter, so this is molarity. So we have molarity of first solution as 10 raised to power minus 2 in order to dilute 1 liter. So initial volume is 1 liter. Now final volume is not given, so we first determine volume of the final solution whose pH is 3. Now when pH is 2, the hydronium ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 3. So solution, when pH is 3, the hydronium ion concentration of the second solution would be 10 raised to power minus 3. So this is 10 raised to power minus 3. So students, volume of the final solution is what? 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by 10 raised to power minus 3. So this is 10 liter. Now student, but question is not to find what? Volume of final solution. Instead it is how much water should be added. So amount, volume of water added is how much? It is final volume minus initial volume, that is 10 minus 1, that is how many liters? 9 liters. So this was a very important question because this question relates pH with molarity equation. Now we have third question. Now students, in this question, okay, we need to find molarity. So what is the molarity of solution obtained by mixing 800 milliliters of 0.5 molar HCl, hydrochloric acid, with 200 milliliters of 1 molar HCl. So students, this is a case where we are mixing two solutions of same solute, that is acid is mixed with acid. So student, this will be a case where we are mixing two solutions to form a third solution and there is no chemical reaction because two solutions of same solute do not react. So this is a case where molarity equation M1 V1 plus M2 V2 will be equal to what? M3, which is molarity of final solution, and volume of final solution, that is V1 plus V2. Now molarity of the first solution is 0.5, its volume is 800 milliliters. Then molarity of the second solution is 1 and its volume is 200. molarity of final solution. Now V1 plus, okay, V2. V1 is what? 800 plus 200, that is 1000 milliliter. So now from this we find molarity M3, which will be what? 800 into 5. So this is 5 upon 10. So this is what? 400 plus 200, that is 600, divided by 1000. So students, it is 0.6. So molarity of final solution is 0.6 molar. So this was a case of what? When we mix solutions of same solute. Now we have fourth question. Now students, now see, in this question we have 25 milliliter of solution of barium hydroxide on titration with 0.5 milliliter solution of HCl, gave a titer value of 35 milliliters. What is the molarity of barium hydroxide solution? So student, this is a case of titration. That means it is a case when acid neutralizes a base completely or vice versa. So since this is a case of titration, we know that in titration, gram equivalents of acid, that is say NaVa, must be equal to gram equivalents of base. Students, यहाँ पर मैं एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात बता दूं, जब भी कोई टाइट्रेशन का केस हो, मैं हमेशा रिकमेंड करता हूं स्टूडेंट्स को टू यूज नॉर्मेलिटी इक्वेशन, बिकॉज it is better to use normality than molarity, because while using molarity equation we must know the acidity and basicity of the acids and bases, but in normality we do not require. Now anyway, so normality, but students here the question is about molarity, so we can convert normality into molarity. So this is for acid. Now acid we have HCl and HCl has basicity 1, so HCl का जो नॉर्मेलिटी और मोलारिटी सेम होता है, सो वी राइट, सो नाउ वी कन्वर्ट, say this is molarity of acid into what? Its valency factor, which is what? Yes, acid का कितना होता है? It is, acid is HCl, so its N factor is 1 into volume of acid. Okay, now normality of base means molarity of base into N factor of base. Now base we have barium hydroxide and its acidity is 2 into what? Volume of base. Now students, molarity of acid is given, which is 0.1 into 1 into volume. Now gave a titer value of 35 milliliter. So this is 35. Now we need to find out molarity of base into 2 into volume of base, which is 25 milliliter. So students, from this we find molarity of base will be what? It is, so 0.1, so this is 3.5 upon what? 50. So this will be what? 35 upon 500, that is 7 upon 100, which is 0.07. So this is our final molarity. So this was a case of what? When acid is neutralized completely by a base, so we use this result, that is gram equivalents of acid must be equal to gram equivalents of base. Now students, we have the last case or the last question, which is based on a case which is when acid solution is mixed with a base solution but neutralization is not complete. So question is, calculate normality of a solution obtained by mixing 100 milliliter of 0.2 molar sulfuric acid and 100 milliliters of 0.2 molar sodium hydroxide, and we need to find normality. So students, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, सारा डेटा मोलैरिटी की टर्म में निकालना नॉर्मेलिटी, एंड मैंने भी वैसे आपको अभी कहा है कि मैं स्टूडेंट्स को हमेशा रिकमेंड करता हूं टू यूज नॉर्मेलिटी इक्वेशन. सो अगेन we'll use normality equation. So first students, we find what gram equivalents of sulfuric acid, that is acid. So it will be normality of acid and what volume. So volume we have what 100, normality molarity given है तो normality क्या होगा, molarity into n factor of sulfuric acid, which is 2. So this is what 40. So we have 40 gram equivalents of acid. Now students, gram equivalents of base, it is again 100 milliliter into normality. अच्छा, आपका सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है तो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का n फैक्टर 1 होने से नॉर्मेलिटी और मोलैरिटी इक्वली होंगे. सो इट इज 0.2. सो वी हैव 20 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स ऑफ व्हाट बेस. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, किसके ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट ज्यादा है, एसिड के. सो अपॉन मिक्सिंग 20 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स बेस के जो होंगे वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएंगे, बट एसिड के 20 बच जाएंगे बिकॉज 20 को न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा. सो ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, in the solution, that is after mixing, they will be 40 minus 20, so it is 20. So these are gram equivalents of what, the unneutralized acid. Now what will be the normality? Normality of the final solution of H2SO4 solution. Now because solution will be acidic, so H2SO4 solution, it will be gram equivalents, that is 20 upon total volume. So total volume is 100 plus 100, it is 200. So students, this is normality of the final solution. So this is how much, this is आपका 1 by 10, that is 0.1. So this is normality. So स्टूडेंट्स, निकालना भी नॉर्मेलिटी था, बट स्टूडेंट्स अगर मोलैरिटी होता तो भी कुछ नहीं करना है, आपका नॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड आ गया. सपोज अगर मोलैरिटी भी निकालना होता तो मोलैरिटी और नॉर्मेलिटी में रिलेशन है क्या, नॉर्मेलिटी इज मोलैरिटी इनटू एन फैक्टर. एन फैक्टर ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज 2. सो मोलैरिटी वुड बी व्हाट, नॉर्मेलिटी डिवाइडेड बाय द एन फैक्टर. नाउ नॉर्मेलिटी वी हैव डिटरमाइंड 0.1. So it will be 0.1 divided by 2. So it is 0.05 molar. So students, these were the 5 different cases of using molarity and normality equation. So students, that is all for today. Thank you.